Hello students, welcome to KBL's Q Cards YouTube channel. Today I will cover two topics of speaking part 1. First one is weekends, second is transportation. Vocab and idioms used in these two topics are on the safer side. It means avoiding danger. Once in a blue moon, very rare, almost never. Hectic means busy, under the weather, unwell. Solo means alone. Utilize. It means use. Last is convenience. It means the quality of being easy, useful or suitable for somebody. Okay, let's start with the weekends. How do you usually spend your weekends? Answer is it depends on my mood. There are times when I enjoy doing outdoor activities, whereas sometimes I prefer to stay at home and do nothing. Or you can say, sometimes I prefer to stay at home and watch my favorite show or spend time with my family. Second is, in your country, do men and women usually do the same kind of things in their free time? Answer is, I don't think the way of spending time has anything to do with gender. It entirely depends on person's personality, how that person wants to utilize free time. When do you spend time with your family? Answer is mostly in the late evening. We all have dinner together. Sometimes we also go out on weekends to enjoy each other's company. Next question is, what did you do last weekend? Okay, there are three sample answers. First one is, I just stayed at home and watched my favorite show. Or, last weekend it was my cousin's wedding. It was a really hectic weekend. Or, I was feeling under the weather last week. So I just stayed at home and did rest the entire weekend. Next question is, what do other people in your hometown usually do on weekends? My majority of neighbors prefer to either go to the cinema to watch a movie or try to explore new places. Only a few prefer to stay at home. What are you going to do next weekend? Okay, there are three sample answers as well. First one is, I have not made any plans yet, so can't say anything. Or, it's my cousin's wedding next Saturday, so it's going to be super hectic weekend. Or, I will watch the new movie of XYZ actor. I am really looking forward to it. Next is there anything new that you would like to do on weekends? Answer is, I have never had a solo trip before. I think that would be a new and interesting thing to do on the weekend. Do you like working on weekends? No. I believe weekends are for enjoying our life, visiting new places, and doing those activities which we can do on weekdays. So, I don't like to work on weekends. Do you think employees should work on weekends? No. I believe everyone deserves free time every week to relax and doing their favorite activities. However, if anyone is interested to do overtime in order to earn extra money, that totally depends on the person's will. Do you think that weekends are more important to you than when you were a child? Answer is no. I think weekends have same importance. In childhood, I used to spend weekdays in doing studies and weekends in doing my favorite things. Even now, I do the same. Next topic is transportation. Okay, wait students, if you want PDF of my speaking part 1 topics, you can buy it from my application. The link is in the description. Okay, transportation. Starting with first question. What's the most popular means of transportation in your hometown? You can say Uber, Ola, buses. are commonly used in my hometown because of convenience and affordability. तीनों में से कोई भी बोल दो. How often do you take buses? I travel by bus on daily basis in order to reach my destination. Or, as I mostly travel by private vehicle, I take bus once in a blue moon only. Can you compare the advantages of planes and trains? If we consider financial matters, train ticket is cheaper than the plane ticket. However, planes cover long distance much faster than trains. Is driving to work popular in your country? Yes, at the majority of places, people prefer to go by their own vehicle to their workplace, except in metropolitan cities, where maximum population use public vehicle or public transportation. Next question is, do you think people will drive more in the future? Okay, there are two sample answers. First one is, as nowadays buying own vehicle has become easier, there are chances that people will drive more in the future. Or, as nowadays environmental issues are increasing, there is a chance that there would be a reduction in the use of private vehicle in the future. Would you ride bikes to work in the future? Yes, I even still do that. Or I imagine myself in the abroad in the future. Initially, I would use public transportation there. Or you can say, since I imagine myself in the abroad in the future, comma, initially I would use public transportation there. What will become the most popular means of transportation in India? I think road transport will remain the popular means of transportation due to affordability. Do you prefer public transport or private transportation? It depends. If I have to visit faraway places alone, I prefer private vehicle. On the other hand, when I have to travel with my family, the mode of transport is chosen by them. How did you come here today? You can say, my father dropped me here because this place is new for me and I did not know the directions. Or, I came here by own vehicle in order to reach on time. Why did you choose that form of transport? Mostly public vehicles are crowded and sometimes causes delay. Therefore, I wanted to be on safer side. What form of transport do you usually use? As I shared earlier, I mostly travel by bus or by my own vehicle. Is it convenient to take a bus or taxi in your city? Yes, a minority of individuals prefer to choose bus due to its convenience. Okay students, thanks for watching. Bye bye.